Hello and welcome to my video, which basically focuses on our second assignment, that is to make use of Google Earth technologies. So the theme of my map, which I have created on Google Earth, is basically to focus on the various bike trails that are present across California. And it basically focuses on one single bike trail which starts from Leon Center and ends at Marina Del Rey. Okay, so the red lines, as you can see, are the prominent bike trails across California. On basically on focusing, you can see that it has aligned perfectly with the road map. And yeah, so this feature has basically been extracted from a USC Geospatial Institute database, and it's basically a shapefile. Now this shapefile was then converted using ArcGIS to KML file, which basically so that it could be implemented on Google Earth. Now let me focus on the trail that we'll be considering. Now this trail starts at Leon Center and ends at Marina Del Rey. Now the small polygons or the blue dots that you can see are nothing but the GPS data that has been collected over time, and this data is present right from the start of our trail to the end of our trail. The yellow line are nothing but these are the lines that have been that I've drawn using the tools of Google Earth. And yeah, using this line we can later tour this Google Earth, or you can tour the entire route, which I'll be basically demonstrating within some time. Now I've placed what we call as place marks throughout the route. Now these place marks are nothing but places that can be useful when we travel. F stands for food joints. Now here it's AM to PM, there will be burgers, and G stands for gas station, and C stands for car repair. Now these are nothing but checkpoints. Now basically to make use of the polygon feature, I have also included or drawn polygons to highlight parks. Now these parks can be used as resting points by the travelers. Now as you can see in this entire map, there will be at least actually there will be just 3 parks that I've highlighted using the polygons, and I have placed a green boundary over it just to make it a little bit more prominent. Yeah, and this is the third one. Okay, now yeah, so far we have basically, oh yeah, one more thing, we have also made use of a raster layer. This is called as the Kenneth Hutton Park. Now I have just taken a picture of a Kenneth Hutton Park from the internet and just placed it over the actual terrain. Now basically the use of this thing is that, as you can see, the picture has a red trail shown around. Now this red trail can either be used as a biking track or it can be used as a trekking track. The traveler or the tourist can use or can go for this trail if he or she wishes to. Okay, so far we have basically used points, lines, polygons, raster layers, GPS data, and shapefiles, which was required by our assignment. So let me just show you a small tour. Play. Now, as we can see, we begin our tour from just outside the Leon Center, and the tour begins and we start moving. As you can see, these yellow lines have been perfectly placed over the GPS data in order to give a much more accurate view. Okay, let me just stop over here. Now, as you can see, this thing over here is nothing but the green park that I had created using the polygon feature. Now since we don't have much time, let me just start playing and let me just fast forward it. Oh, I'm so sorry, let me just rewind it over here. Yeah. Okay, so as you can see, this is basically a bike trail and not a car trail. You can use it for a car trail as well. Okay, let me just fast forward yet again. Okay, now we're near the Ballona Creek. So as you can see, it shows a bike trail of the entire path, which begins at Leon Center and ends at Marina Del Rey. Let me just fast forward it again. Let me just show the last pieces. Okay, and play. Yeah, so this thing basically now will end at Marina Del Rey, as you can see right over there. So yeah, so as stated, I have used Google Earth technologies, and probably I've actually, yeah, and I've also used all the features like points, lines, polygons, raster layers, GPS data, and shape files as well. So hope you like it. Thank you.